In today's video, I'm going to answer a question from a viewer who left me a comment on my video, Dr. Christopher's antispasmodic formula. Can you use it every day? When I was answering another question in a previous video for another viewer. This question comes from Peace, so Peace, this video is for you. They asked, what about nerve pain from post-nerve damage? So right off the bat, I'm going to answer yes, and then I also want to give you a couple other options that you should do for a protocol in recovering your nerves from having a stroke. Going off of the School of Natural Healing book by Dr. Christopher, it recommends to use cayenne every day, generally, and something that you can take daily, whether it's a small amount or a large amount. Typically, you can work your way up to a tablespoon after just starting with, like, say, 1/8 or 1/4 of a teaspoon to a teaspoon, and then working up to a tablespoon. Cayenne is great for replenishing organic calcium into the body and getting the blood flow in those capillaries to open, and also helps with nerve function as a stimulant. The other thing I'm going to recommend for you too is to probably try a couple other therapies with Dr. Christopher's formula. I would recommend his nerve formula, and then I would also recommend his ear and nerve tonic and his oil of garlic. Getting it in the ears, working on those things, since the stroke primarily comes from the brain, the nerves being fried or burned out. According to the book, it's burned out of the calcium that is organic to the body, or it is invaded by inorganic calcium that has caused the nerves and the sheath to burn out and to be removed over time. But those tinctures would help as well. I'd recommend getting on his programs, probably doing the cleansing diet, doing bouts of juice fasting and cleansing. And then just my recommendations for herbdoc.com, Dr. Richard Schulze's products. I would recommend using his cayenne tincture or his cayenne powder. I would recommend using his nerve formula. It's a great tincture. I've used that for years for nerve pain and such, rehabbing my body and things like that. And then I would also recommend his Incurables program. You can buy his kit. All you have to do is just provide the food and the environment for yourself. You do bouts of juice fasting. You follow the program for about 30 days or so. See how you feel, reassess, take a break, and then you can start again until that post-stroke nerve damage is completely cured. So Peace, those would be my recommendations. If you need some reference points, I would look into, I'm trying to remember her name now. Hang on. So Leah Hodge is a very good reference point. That's where I based my Incurables program series from her. I also have a playlist that you can follow. I made a blueprint specifically for men and how to do the routines for men, but also it's a good blueprint to follow, good guidelines and everything that I did in that series when I did the Incurables program. Peace, thank you so much for the question, and I hope that this answers it. Please subscribe, and I will talk to you all very soon. Thank you.